So this is sort of an unboxing video. Already kinda opened it, as you can see from some edges. You can't really see now that I'm looking on the camera. Anyways, let's just open this. Hold on. How much paper is there? Here it is. Look at that. I want to take a screenshot. I can't do this with one hand. Okay. Bruh, more box. It's a box inside of the box. But now we finally got this. We finally got it out, boys. This is clean. Well, this is a lot of detail in it, bro. I'm probably just gonna keep it on this stand. And for anybody wondering, this is how you take it off. There's just these things on the bottom. Can't see them because my camera's garbage. I'm using this 2003 whatever. But this is a beast.